Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and just another quick little update for you regarding Tesla adding the option to turn on or off wireless charging. This has been confirmed by Elon himself on Twitter. So there was a user on Twitter by the name of Alex Thompson. He mentioned that the placeholder for the phone is just a perfect spot. However, the wireless charger, the Qi wireless charger is just overheating his phone a little bit too much. Now, I haven't personally experienced this myself. The phone stays pretty toasty, but it doesn't seem like it's overheating. You're not really supposed to touch the phone anyways, but the fact that it does cause issue for other users, Tesla has decided to include this in their upcoming software update. Now, there is nothing official, but usually Elon's word on Twitter is pretty much firm that it's gonna happen. So the fact that he said okay to this means that it's probably gonna be coming in another software update. Now, I can definitely see how this happens when you are wireless charging. I do experience it at home, not to the point where it's called overheating, but it gets drastically hot at the back of the phone once you are charging, especially with the iPhone when you're using the MagSafe connector. Now, one thing to note is that if you do wireless charge pretty much all the time, that does cause a negative effect on your battery overall. Now, I'm not sure about the science behind all this, but it does seem like it loses a lot of battery capacity from when you wireless charge versus when you simply just plug it in. Now, if you're comparing a 5-watt charger to the MagSafe charger, you're gonna see a drastic difference in your battery life compared to when you're wireless charging. However, if you're just fast charging, which is what comes with some of the Pro Max versions of the iPhones, you will see that it's pretty much on par with each other, wireless charging versus the fast charging. Now, speaking about wireless charging, you don't want to forget that Tesla mentions that you should be charging your car from 10% to 80% on the daily use. So that just pretty much ensures that the battery is kept in check, and that's the same that wants to be done for the iPhone as well. Now, when I'm speaking about iPhone, I'm talking about pretty much all iPhones as well as Android devices that do have wireless charging. Now, there are phones out there, especially China-made phones, where they don't have this fail-safe. When you fully charge your phone at 100%, it stops charging just like your iPhone or just like a Samsung, whereas those phones continue to charge until it overheats itself and pretty much wants to blow up. Now, of course, nowadays newer phones have this fail-safe put in place, so that doesn't happen, but it doesn't mean that your battery isn't affected at all. So of course, a lot of people are requesting this feature, and Elon Musk is finally making it happen. Now, I do have a recommendation for Elon Musk and the potential of having a smart version of this charging, where the wireless charger only turns on when it's below a certain amount, and it turns off automatically when it's at 100%. So this in itself would just take away from the stress of having to toggle on or off this feature, and I think overall it just works really well. So yeah, just to wrap everything up, it looks like the feature to turn off the Qi wireless charger is going to be happening very soon, so you can just use it as a placeholder or a mat area there. You place your phone down and not have to worry about the phone overheating or anything like that. Definitely always a plus on my end to give us options to turn on or off any feature out there. So I give props to Elon Musk and Tesla for this, and especially to that guy for asking for this feature. Not that I'm ever going to be using it, but if it does come, hopefully they can implement some kind of smart system to it. Anyways, this is John. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right up top there. Once again, peace out.